Hey guys, I'm Matt Hui. I'm a digital sculptor, and in this video I want to talk about something that can instantly make your materials look more realistic, the roughness map. You will be surprised how many artists ignore it or just use the default value, but honestly, roughness is like the soul of your texture. It controls how light behaves, how your surface feels, and if it's done right, it can take even a simple base color and make it look cinematic. So yeah, all right. First thing I want to talk about is variation. Let me add a fill layer, and the color is okay. And let's call it base, add another fill, and I call it grunge map. Real world surfaces are never uniformly rough or smooth. Even a brand new piece of metal has subtle scratches, fingerprints, or polished areas that break up the perfect reflection. In Substance Painter, the easiest way to add variation is to stack up grunge maps. I usually take my base roughness through in a grunge map 002 or grunge map 007, then mask it and play with levels until it looks believable. Not noisy, but natural. So I'm going to just hold down Alt and just click on roughness. And let me make the base roughness a little bit rough. And this one a little bit maybe shinier. So let's add a black mask and add fill. And in here, I'm going to search grudge map. And we can choose whatever we want. We can test it out, but let's start with this one to see how it's look. And maybe turning off the shadow. Okay. Turn off the past effects. And I'm playing with the roughness for the base and the garage map to see which one is better. And we can go something like this. We can change the tiling in here. And maybe this is too much, a little bit less. And I can hold down Alt and click to see the roughness, and I can play with the balance and contrast. Maybe something like this. It's a good start. If you go too far, it starts looking dirty or stylized, but just a little variation gives the light something to play with. So it's not bad. I can add another fill layer, hold an Alt and just use roughness. Add black mask again, add fill, and let's try something else. Yeah, this one is good. And let's go to roughness. And let me go to roughness channel here as well. Let me see. Multiply, screen, maybe overlay. Yeah, we can combine them like this. Yeah, already it's look much better, as you can see. This is not bad. Let me add another one. Let me see if we have a dripping water or something like that. Crash map. Yeah, we have this one. We can use it, make it shinier. Just need the roughness. And even we can add some height to it. Yeah, height. Just a little bit. I think this one is good enough. And we can add paints and start removing some of them if you want to, or add. It totally depends on you. Let's change the name. All right. Let me add some rust to see how it's look. All right. Add a black mask. And here we can either use generator. No. Can try based on light or metal edge. Yeah, I think this one is good, but let me try dirt as well. Yeah, this one is not bad. Add a black mask, add generator. There's again. And maybe I can change this color. Yeah, this is good. Add another layer. I want to add some scratches. Add a black mask. Add fill. Let's search for scratch. Maybe this one. You just need the height and roughness. You can add color as well if you want to. And this is too much, so let me add another fill. Let's look for cloud. Multiplace. What I want to remove some of these scratches. Yeah, something like this is much better. What I'm trying to show here is you can paint your story, into the roughness and not just the color. And this is my favorite part because it's subtle but powerful. And you can paint scratches, sweat marks, oil smudges, or worn out areas directly on the roughness map. Sometimes I even turn off the color channel completely and paint only in roughness mode just to focus and have the surface react to the light. And for skin, I like to use this for oily spots around nose or forehead. And if I turn off everything, you can see we had the base, we had first roughness, the second one, dripping, some rust, and after that, scratches. And maybe we can change the color if you want to. It's totally dependent on you. Play with the roughness. So yeah, you get the idea. And once you understand how much power it has, you'll never go back to flat surface again. Because I see a lot of people, they doing this and that, and that's it. It's done. It's not good enough. You should add a lot more layers to it. Not just this 4-3. But yeah, this is it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to dive deeper, we have full courses about texturing, character creation, and all stage related tutorials on Udemy and Skillshare. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.